everyone, it's Maria from UNR Extension Partners in Parenting. Today we will be focusing on math. As you can see, I have a few items here in front of me. We have some silk leaves that we will be using, some clothespin. We have a big and small ones here. We have some pumpkins, some small and big pumpkins. Since we're focusing on math, we'll be sorting out. It's a fun way to show the little ones on how to do math by sorting, counting, and pattern, or put it in patterns. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, and for this, you could also use a Sharpie or a marker that will not erase from your little clothespin. You could write numbers on there, parents. Right now, as you can see, I only have up to 5, but again, always start with your little ones. Well, again, 0 is a number, so we want to make sure we have a 0 in there. And one of them labeled as 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So depending on the age of your little one, you want to start with 0 up to 5, and then once they already know how to count up to 5, then we increase another 5 numbers up to 10. Okay, so this is a fun activity for them to use, like I said, small or big items, so whatever you have at home, but I chose these items that I have here for the fall season right now, just to make it fun for the little ones. So you could either use the little ones or the big ones. So you could tell them to put how many are in 0. So then, of course, 0. 1. How many little pumpkins are in there? 2 pumpkins, and so on. Okay, so then depending on how many you have at home, then you want to use them out for them to practice on where they go to recognize their numbers. So that's a good idea also for number recognition, for sorting from small to big, or pattern like small, big, small, big, and so on. Okay, so that's using the pumpkins. But if we're gonna use the leaves that I have here in front, we could use, if you ask them where's number 0, then of course we're not gonna put nothing on there. So then we have 1 leaf, then we have 2 leaves. Maybe if we have the same kind, there's 2 leaves. Then there's how many here? 3. So there's 3. There's 4. You could lay them out like that, or you could also, if you don't have enough room, you could always just stack them in there. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So however you want to do it, just to practice math. It's another, like I said, it's another way of having fun at the same time, learning math and having fun, making it fun for the little ones so they want to learn math. We use math in our everyday life, parents. and then by counting, and also patterns and also shapes, like I was saying, or all the same kind. We just want to follow the same for it all to look alike or compare colors. So it's just a fun way, parents, of having fun with your little ones, and at the same time a fun way of explaining math. Also, we could use patterns with our leaves here. And so on, okay? So these just are a few ideas, parents, of what you could do to have fun at home with your little ones during fall. And so this is just a few ideas. So hopefully you have fun creating your own ideas of math. So again, you could find whatever items you have at home that you want to use for your counting or for your sorting or pairs. Remember, a fun way about math, finding pairs, is also having them pair up their socks or anything that matches together. We always use socks, of course, maybe 2 black socks or so on, depending on the colors also, or the pair of the socks that you have at home for them, okay? So just also, so all that is fun, a fun way of practicing math. Thanks for watching.